Hey loves, welcome to the Fort Worth Water Gardens right here on Commerce and 15th Street. This is a challenge if you guys want to go and see something so cool. Look at this. Wow. So loves, I am out at the Fort Worth Water Garden. It is beautiful out here. I'm gonna turn it around. The wind is blowing something major. Very nice and calming. A nice place for peace. It's a beautiful day to clear your mind. It's so beautiful here. If you're ever in Fort Worth, Texas, or even Dallas, it's only probably about a 40-minute drive this way for this awesome serenic view. Have great weather, nice calming pools. So this is a place I come to clear my mind. Fresh off of work, just need a peace of mind. You guys come and visit Fort Worth, Texas at the Fort Worth Water Gardens. It is so awesome here. Very beautiful pools. And we also have the active pool. At night it changes colors. It's so pretty. This is also a dog and family friendly place. You can climb the mountain over there or visit all the pools. Relax with Mother Nature with this beautiful weather here we have in Texas. The trees are beautiful here. So are you guys up for a challenge to go down to the pit? So guys, I'm gonna take that step down there. Watch your step. It's kind of crazy. I hope you guys try it. It's beautiful. It is beautiful here. I hope you try it. I'm going down. It's kind of wet, so be careful. Watch your step. Woo, Lordy. Gonna get you down there. It's beautiful. Listen to the sound. The trees. The buildings. Okay, loves, I made it down here. And we're down here and looking up. It is beautiful, peaceful. And look at all that foam. In between, you have to watch your step over, and they got you. But it's very peaceful here. You can have a seat, which I'm gonna do. If you're ever here in Fort Worth, I recommend the Fort Worth Water Garden. So beautiful. Look at that. Listen to it. A nice place to enjoy. Beautiful. Okay guys, the challenge is getting back up the stairs with so many people coming down. Let's see this. Okay loves, it is mind-boggling getting back up these stairs, but you can do it. Try it out. It's kind of, you gotta have your balance. There's enough space for you to get up the stairs. Oh Lord. Make room for the people around you. You can do it. Alrighty. I made it to the top. Wow. My heart is racing. Hope you guys enjoyed the Fort Worth water gardening adventures.